ingredients here: plain flour, condensed milk, water, salt, and then egg, and then one more is a margarine, butter. Yeah. So and then you have to knead it and then get into the dough, and after that you shape into the ball like this, and then you have to leave it at the room temperature for minimum 4 hours, or if you can do it overnight, it's even better. Okay, so I put this in the fridge anyway, and then I took it out like an hour before you start stretching it. Yeah. So now I'm gonna show you how to stretch this. Can you get me the cloth? If Malaysian style, okay, you have to practice at least 6 months to do it. But whoever's doing it, I give you 30 seconds. Okay. Okay. The way you touch, okay, this is the dough. You use that part of your hand, okay, to stretch it, and then you get nice round shape. And then, if you're right-handed, your right hand facing up, your left hand facing down. So you use your thumb to kind of like secure, to hold the pastry, okay? So like that. I'm gonna do the slow motion, right? And if you're gonna do it, you're gonna do it really fast because it's really thin. So you lift it up with your right hand and push it down with your left hand. It's a bit confusing, but keep doing that, okay? And you will notice that the dough is stretched, getting bigger and bigger, okay? And then after that, you just keep shifting like that. Whoever's doing it, I'm just gonna stay aside because I did this before for the demo. This lady, my face. Okay, so first I'm gonna oil the surface. Just make sure it's nicely oiled, okay? And then just stretch using that part of your hand. So make sure like it's all covered with oil. This is nice to have a bit of a curry as well, yeah? So you can have it with a fish curry or vegetable curry. And then just, okay? I'm not a pro, okay? If it's like someone been doing for years, they can lift it up. Yeah, and then just land it nicely, not on the face, okay? Okay, see, notice it get bigger and bigger. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna stop now because if you get it stretched bigger and bigger, you see the holes, okay? So the best thing now is just to stretch it like this. Get as thin as you can, thick as you can, and then before you fold it, a bit of oil, and then you have to fold it really quickly. Okay, so you want the air to trap in between. This is one of the way to fold it. Another one is the pro one, they just twist it like that. But for me, it's not the best because it's gonna be quite thick, yeah? So then do it again, like that. So you can be creative, you can put fillings in there. You can make with egg or something. You can make it sweet with a banana, yeah? Have it with the condensed milk and that, okay? Let's see, I think the oil is ready, yeah? So now I'm just gonna cook this. That's great. Take out. There's one more here. Right, who wants to try?
He's there. No, he's there.
Huh?
There is one.
It's not you,
There is one. Yeah.
Yeah, this is movement. Okay. That's a good color, yeah? Yeah. Okay, ready, yeah?